In this video, we'll show the process of installing a Linux operating system in unattended UEFI mode. From the Lifecycle Controller homepage, click OS Deployment and then Deploy OS. Ensure that RAID is already configured and select Go directly to OS Deployment and then click Next. Under Boot Mode, select UEFI and disable the Secure Boot option. Select the desired operating system from the drop-down menu and then click Next. The OS drivers for the selected OS are then copied to a temporary drive. This process may take a few minutes to complete. On the Select Installation Mode screen, select Unattended Install. Select USB drive to import the OS configuration file. Then, select USB Virtual Floppy from the Select Device drop-down menu. For the path, type ks.cfg and then click Next. Once the configuration file is verified and copied, click OK. Then, on the Insert OS Media screen, click Next. Wait until the process is complete, then click Finish to reboot and begin the unattended OS installation process. Type E to edit the options. Remove Quiet as well as RHGB if it's available. If you're performing this over iDRAC, first enter USB core.autosuspend equals -1. Then for all installs, add ks equals hd:label equals oemdrv. Press F10 or Ctrl X to start the OS installation process. For more information about the Dell Lifecycle Controller, visit dell.com/techcenter/LC.